Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network here to do a walk around with you on a 2020 Honda CR-V EXL. The point of our walk arounds is to be as transparent as possible, to show you all the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below the video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights options and features of the CR-V, just scroll up. It's located above the video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either of those, plus get a free CARFAX report, see an original Windows sticker, get financing options, or get a quote for shipping anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on this CR-V. Now let's get to that walk around. All right, here we go, walking around the CR-V EXL. As you can see, really good 85 to 90% tread life left on those tires. And you really can't see them until I turn the camera just right, but there's some touched up chips. Just a handful of them, very minor. If I wasn't zooming in, you wouldn't even see them. But as you can see, once you back up, they're gone. Other than that, there's really not much to say about the CR-V, except it's in amazing condition. Even though it's only got 11,000 miles, still I would say it's above average. Beautiful red color with no dents, dings, or scratches. Roof, perfect shape. Let's take a look at the interior, shall we? Okay, we'll go over what you can't see in our pictures, which is this side of the visors, the very top of the dash, sunshade and headliner, which in the case of this CR-V is in immaculate condition. No imperfections to show. It's also a non-smoker. And if you have any questions at all, please give us a call.